How to get more YouTube videos, a guide to boosting your video creation and publishing. YouTube has rapidly become one of the largest platforms for video content, with billions of users watching hours of video every day. As a content creator, the desire to produce more videos can be fueled by the desire to expand your audience, improve your storytelling skills, monetize your channel, or simply share your passions. The question then arises, how can you get more YouTube videos created and published? Here are some effective strategies. 1. Define your niche clearly before diving into video creation. Identify your niche clearly. Knowing what subjects you are passionate about and what viewers are interested in helps streamline your content ideas. Pick a specific theme or style for your channel, whether it's beauty, gaming, education, or vlogging. This not only attracts a dedicated audience but also inspires you to create more videos within a familiar context. 2. Create a content calendar. Once you've defined your niche, a content calendar becomes an invaluable tool. Outline your video ideas for the month, including topics, filming schedules, editing timelines, and publication dates. This structure keeps you organized and ensures you always have fresh content planned. Regular updates, like a weekly upload schedule, can significantly boost your channel's growth, so consistency is key. 3. Batch film your content. Batch filming involves recording multiple videos in one sitting. By dedicating a day or weekend to filming, you can generate a backlog of videos and reduce the stress of sticking to a schedule. Ensure you remain camera ready and gather all your equipment, props, and scripts before starting. This method not only saves time but also helps you maintain a consistent tone and style in your videos. 4. Embrace live streaming. Live streaming can be a fantastic way to produce content without the extensive editing typically associated with pre-recorded videos. It encourages real-time interaction with your audience, building stronger connections and providing opportunities for spontaneous content generation. Whether it's Q&As, tutorials, or gaming sessions, going live can enhance your frequency of content while maintaining viewer engagement. 5. Engage your audience for ideas. Your audience is a valuable resource for generating new content ideas. Encourage them to share what they want to see next in the comments, conduct polls on social media, or inquire directly during your videos. This not only helps create relevant content but also makes viewers feel valued and invested in your channel's direction, thus fostering a loyal community. 6. Leverage short-form content. With the rise of platforms like TikTok, YouTube has embraced short-form content through its YouTube Shorts feature. Create bite-sized videos that encapsulate your niche, offer quick tips, or showcase highlights from longer videos. Shorts can attract more viewers, boost engagement, and serve as a promotion for longer content on your channel. 7. Repurpose existing content. You don't always have to create videos from scratch. Consider repurposing existing content, like turning blog posts into videos, producing highlight reels from previously recorded content, or updating old videos with new information. This approach saves time while providing viewers with valuable and fresh perspectives. 8. Collaborate with other creators. Partnering with other YouTubers in your niche can be a mutually beneficial way to increase your content output. Collaborations can introduce your channel to new audiences and spark fresh content ideas that you might not have considered on your own. Plan a joint project, guest appearances, or even interviews to diversify your content through collaboration. 9. Utilize efficient editing software. Investing in efficient editing software can drastically reduce post-production times. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned editor, using software that you are comfortable with can speed up your editing process. Explore user-friendly options that offer various templates and features that automate certain tasks, allowing you to spend more time on content creation. 10. Analyze performance and monitor the performance of your videos through YouTube Analytics. Identifying which videos perform well can guide your future content strategy. Look for patterns. Do tutorials get more views than vlogs? Adjust your content plan accordingly, focusing on what resonates with your audience the most. Conclusion: creating more YouTube videos doesn't have to feel overwhelming. By defining your niche, planning your content, engaging your audience, leveraging various platforms, and analyzing your performance, you can streamline your video creation process. Embrace these strategies to accelerate your content production, grow your channel, and connect with your audience more effectively. Whether you're a budding creator or an established influencer, staying committed and passionate about your content is what ultimately drives success. Happy video creating!